What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Feature Friday. A little bit of a somber one. I don't know if you guys know Louie Rivera. He's got that really cool red Sondors bike. I've been meaning to feature him for a while. He's a good dude. He's always active in the community. Really a good time to be around. Louie actually knows some of the same people that I know, just randomly through other connections. He was in a New York hardcore band called Antidote, and some of my friends were in the hardcore music scene back in the day, and they know him. He's like a legend. So check out his music, and maybe I could find a clip here and share it for you. It's pretty wild.
The real deal, Antidote.
The real deal. Antidote.
My name's Louie. I just became the vocalist again because this cocksucker right here gave me the opportunity to do that, and I love him for it.
Small world, right? So I've been meaning to put something together like this for a while. I got some old footage of him from group rides and a couple of Electric Wednesdays that I'll throw in here at the end. He's been in an accident. You've probably heard if you ride around with us, and the prognosis is not good so far. From what I understand, he's in like a medically induced coma, and he's stable, but he's not responsive, and it's tough. I think his vitals aren't really promising, but we're hoping that it improves over time, each day a little better maybe. But just other than that, message from me and from other people saying be careful, wear your helmet, try to ride with someone if you can. If you're riding at night, make sure you've got some lights on, be careful, and stay within the law. That's it. The more careful you are, the better chance you have of making it through, because as you know, the wild card in riding in Manhattan and New York City is that you can be the safest driver or safest rider, but there's other people on the road that are complete assholes and they just don't care. So be careful out there, and raise a glass for Louie, and let's hope he gets through this.
Looking good, man.
Thank you, brother. I'm not going on.
What's up, Louie? What's up,
How
you doing?
Good to see you, man. Always good to see the Johnny Primo, man.
Tell us how you doing after that spill.
Hanging in here, brother. Feeling good. It feels like the bump in my head opened up some sort of chamber of inspiration.
Yeah. Portal to a new dimension.
Yeah.
So tell me. Someone said you had just gotten a tattoo on your head. Is that true?
Oh, yeah. Check it out.
Is it messed up? Oh yeah, the hair's coming in, so it's tough to see it.
Yeah, it's tough to see.
So I'm going to start this thing on my channel called Feature Fridays, where I feature other people from the community and talk about them, tell them to follow their page and stuff like that. So I'm going to work this into one of those.
All right,
for
cool,
sure.
Man. Thank you, brother.
You got it.
Thank you. Always a pleasure to be able to help you out, Johnny.
Absolutely.
All right, brother.
Thanks for watching. As always, make sure you like and subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.